Tonight, Davie Police Chief Dale Engel remains on administrative leave, accused of homophobic comments about a Broward Sheriff's deputy who died of coronavirus.
And that has Florida's largest LGBTQ civil rights group weighing in on this situation. CBS 4's Ted Scouten is in Davie with the latest for us.
Well, it's vile. It's unacceptable.
Florida's largest LGBTQ civil rights group calling out Davie Police Chief Dale Engel. A letter from the Fraternal Order of Police, the union that represents Davie officers, alleges Engel made some disturbing comments about BSO Deputy Shannon Bennett, who died of coronavirus. It happened after officers began asking about the risk of exposure to COVID-19.
Referenced the fact that Deputy Bennett was homosexual and that somehow related to his ultimate passing from COVID-19. And of course that left many that were there with questions and felt that was kind of shocking to hear that.
In the letter sent to Davie's town administrator, it went on to say that Chief Engel said there was a, quote, backstory which proclaimed that Deputy Bennett contracted and died from the virus because he was a homosexual who attended homosexual sexual events. A source tells CBS 4 News that officers who were there said this was blown out of proportion, that Chief Engel was trying to quell fears, saying Bennett did not contract coronavirus on duty, but at an outside event.
It's really disheartening, again, that we're in a time where we need public officials to be standing together. They need to be standing with the people that they serve. They need to be standing with the people that they serve alongside, not demonizing or belittling people.
Bennett was engaged to be married. His fiancée released a statement saying the chief's alleged comments are completely false, homophobic, and slanderous. I look forward to the fair and impartial investigation initiated by the town manager, and I hope that appropriate action will be taken at its conclusion. The town administrator's office said Chief Engel was placed on administrative leave pending further review of the allegation.
We hope that the investigation will allow the chief to provide some clarity as to why he felt that it was relevant to bring that up. And hopefully at the end of the day, this investigation determines that this is just a terrible miscommunication of some kind.
The reality is the complaint has been made, it's not been refuted, and based on the facts in that letter, Chief Engel does not need to be in charge of people's public safety right now.
We did reach out to Chief Engel for comment. He said he is not able to talk about it until the investigation has been completed. In Davie, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.